Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making cabbage with eggs, ham, cheese, and vegetables. That'll be ready in minutes, so let's get started. To get started making our cabbage with eggs, ham, and cheese, we're going to be needing to cut up this cabbage. Now this is only like a quarter cabbage, so we'll just use it up. And that's about it. That ought to do it. Now we'll just take some of these big pieces and we'll chop them up. I like it a little bit more chunky. It stays together better down the bottom when it cooks down. So we'll just put this in the bowl. Now we just cut up this green pepper. Now this is a small green pepper. Just kind of make strips out of it, and then you can turn them sideways and just chop them up good. Put them in a bowl. Now all we have to do is, we're going to use a quarter of this red pepper. Just to add a little color to it. We'll chop it up fairly fine. Not too fine, but fairly fine. There you go. Now put them in the bowl. Now we need to cut up some green onion. Put them in a bowl. Green onion always gives a different kind of flavor, especially when it's cooked a little. Now we need a slice of onion. We'll get a nice place there. Okay. Chop that up. Put them in a bowl. And then we'll put the rest in here. Now that's a small yellow onion. Chop up some spinach leaves. Okay, put them in a bowl. Now we just cut up some ham. Okay, that'd be like 4 or 5 chunks there. Easy way to chunk it. Okay, they're nice little cubes. Now we got to put that in a bowl. Yeah, looks good already, and we didn't even start cooking yet. Yeah, now we just crack 3 eggs in a bowl. Yeah, now we beat them up. Add a little salt, a little bit of pepper. Definitely like pepper, and garlic. Garlic's good too. Okay, now all we have to do is start cooking. Set our burner to medium-low. Add oil to the pan. Add all our cabbage, peppers, onions, everything to the pan. Give that a little stir. Now all we have to do is cover that and let it cook. Needs to cook down a little bit. Okay, let's give it a quick check. Stir him up a little bit. Okay, cover him up. Let him cook a little bit more. Alright, let's give it another little check. See how we're doing. Yeah, they look like they're getting soft. They're getting softer, that's good. Yeah, let them cook down just a little bit more. They look pretty good though. Okay, let's check again. See how they did. Okay, they look about right. Yep, I think it's time to add our eggs. Okay. All right, let's add our eggs. I will cover that and let that cook for a minute. Okay, it's only been about a minute. So now we're going to spritz a little ham on there. Ham and cabbage. Okay. Now we're going to spritz a little bit of onion on top of there. Just to add a little crunch. Save some for later. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to try this ring again. We're going to spritz this ring with a little bit of oil. And we're going to put it right in the middle. Push down a little. Just like that. Okay, and we're going to crack an egg in the middle. Just like that. And we're going to break it up. Crack 4 more eggs. One up here. One over here. One over here. And one over here. Okay. Cover that and let that cook for just a little bit. Yeah, let's give it a check. Looks good. Yeah, maybe we can get that ring out of there. There you go. That just helps keep the egg on the outside so it don't run in the middle. Okay, now we can spritz a little more ham on there. Because we like ham. Alright, and we'll put a little more onion. We'll put some green onions on there. And to top it off, a little bit of spinach leaves mixed in, and then we have to put some cheese on there. So that's the key right there. We gotta have cheese. Yeah, that might not be enough cheese, so we'll just put some pieces of regular cheese here and there. And we'll spritz it with a little bit more spinach leaves. And we're gonna cover that and let that everything melt and everything. Okay, let's give her a check. Yeah, it looks done. Let's check our egg. Oh yeah, it's perfect. Just soft. Okay. Now we gotta see if we can get that out of there and plate that up. But first I wanna put a little salt and pepper on there. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Okay, now let's see if we can plate that up. There we go. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Man, that's a lot of stuff in there. Okay. Boy, that looks beautiful, doesn't it? Look at them. Sunny side up eggs on top of there. Yeah, and all that cheese and ham. And what about all that cabbage that's in there? Yeah, I bet you that tastes good with that ham and cabbage with the eggs. Alright, let's see if we can cut that. Alright, there's one. Look at that cheese. Okay. Okay, let's see if we can get a piece out of there. Oh, there you go. Cabbage with egg, ham, cheese, and vegetables. You got the green peppers, the red peppers, onions, and on top, a sunny side up egg with extra cheese and spinach leaves with green onions. How can you beat that? I bet you that is really tasty. Yeah, I just wanted to show you how soft that yolk is. Can you see that? Right there? How soft that is and nice. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about right there. Yeah, I just gotta have a little bite. That looks good, doesn't it? Oh, I wish you could taste that again. That cabbage is perfect. And all them onions and peppers and the egg, you can taste the egg and the cheese comes right on through. That's what I'm talking about right there. That's good. That's good eating right there. Man, that'd make a good dinner, breakfast, anytime. Yep. Now I was just wondering, again, I'm not cleaning up the kitchen again. I'm just going to go ahead and eat my cabbage with ham, egg, cheese, vegetables, and all that other good stuff. The peppers, onions, green onions, all that good stuff in there. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about right there. That sounds good. Where the heck did the mouse go?